My name's Mark Wheeler.
Troy Fauteux over here. This is our bike check.
Bike check. United Regal bars, ODI grips, Demolition Rob Wise stem with the Rob Wise forks. You know, got the premium light front wheel, some Odyssey pegs, Haro Dennis Anderson signature tires, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, you know, some stock Mongoose cranks, this fucking car that's driving by, back to the bike check, Odyssey Burlington sprocket, KMC chain, Colony bottom bracket, premium back wheel, another Odyssey peg, premium seat post, shadow seat. To top it all off, shout out to Stevie Churchill for not hooking me up with a frame, but I bought it, so it's dope.
Alright, we got the brand new signature Matt Priest frame here, Verde Oxbridge, in the silver hammer tone, 20.75. She's a beaut. Got Matt Rose signature bars here at a Mutiny. Yep. Following that, we got Mutiny stem, forks, our Mutiny wands, V3. Demolition complete. Front wheel. We got the Fit FAFs, 2.3s front and back. One of my favorite pieces on this thing, the Mutiny Cinch cranks. Really light. One bolt holds everything together here. Got the spline drive sprocket to go with it. Shadow half-link chain. Then I got the Colony Fantastic plastics here. Yep, moving on to the back. Same thing, Demolition Rogue, left-hand drive. What we got? Seat? Yeah, check out these Federal. Couple birds on there. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty cool.
Hold on, wait.
Kink seat posts.
That really annoying fucking hub in the background.
Alright, so me and Mark are gonna go do a manual here.
Hey! That was my helmet! That was my helmet! Oh wait, hold on. Oh! And that's why it's
She's in. Yeah. The girl next door.